History about cardamom. Cardamom has been used in flavorings and food over centuries. During the Middle Ages, cardamom dominated the trade industry. The Arab states played a significant role in the trade of Indian spices, including cardamom. It is now ranked the third most expensive spice following saffron and vanilla. Cardamom production began in ancient times, and has been referred to in ancient Sanskrit texts as ella. The Babylonians and Assyrians used the spice early on, and trade in cardamom opened up along land routes in by the interlinked Persian Gulf route controlled from Dilmun as early as the 3rd millennium BCE, early Bronze Age, into Western Asia and the Mediterranean world. The ancient Greeks thought highly of cardamom, and the Greek physicians Dioscorides and Hippocrates wrote about its therapeutic properties, identifying it as a digestive aid. Due to demand in ancient Greece and Rome, the cardamom trade developed into a handsome luxury business. Cardamom was one of the spices eligible for import tax in Alexandria in 126 CE. In medieval times, Venice became the principal importer of cardamom into the West, along with pepper, cloves and cinnamon, which was traded with merchants from the Levant with salt and meat products. In China, ammonium was an important part of the economy during the Song dynasty, 960-1279. In 1150, the Arab geographer Muhammad al-Idrisi noted that cardamom was being imported to Aden, in Yemen, from India and China. The Portuguese became involved in the trade in the 16th century, and the industry gained wide-scale European interest in the 19th century. Etymology. The word cardamom is derived from the Latin cardamomum, as a Latinization of the Greek cardamomum, a compound of cardamon, cress, and ammon, of unknown origin. The earliest attested form of the word signifying cress is the Mycenaean Greek kardamija, written in Linear B syllabic script, in the list of flavorings on the spice tablets found among palace archives in the House of the Sphinxes in Mycenae. The modern genus name Eletria is derived from the root elim attested in Dravidian languages. Composition. The essential oil content of cardamom seeds depends on storage conditions and may be as high as 8%. The oil is typically 45% alpha-terpineol, 27% myrcene, 8% limonene, 6% menthone, 3% beta-phelindrine, 2% 1,8-cineol, 2% sabinon and 2% heptane. Other sources report the following contents: 1,8-cineol 20-50%, alpha-terpenylestate 30%, sabinon, limonene 2-14%, and borneol. In the seeds of round cardamom from Java, Wolfbania compacta, the content of essential oil is lower, 2-4%, and the oil contains mainly 1,8-cineol, up to 70%, plus beta-pinene, 16%. Furthermore, alpha-pinene, alpha-terpineol and humulin are found. Types of cardamom. There are several types of cardamom, including green, black, white, and red. Green cardamom. Also known as true cardamom, this is the most common variety and is often found in supermarkets. It's the top choice for sweet dishes, but also works well in savory dishes. Black cardamom. Also known as brown, greater, large, longer, or Nepal cardamom, this variety has larger pods that are dark brown. It has a smoky element that makes it more appropriate for savory dishes, but it is used in sweet dishes as well in southern India. White cardamom. A bleached version of green cardamom, white cardamom has less flavor. Red cardamom. Also known as Chinese black cardamom or false cardamom, this variety has pods that are larger than green cardamom pods and slightly larger than black cardamom pods. The pods are thicker and stronger than green and black pods. Cardamom is a member of the ginger family and has a complex flavor profile. It's the third most expensive spice in the world, only behind saffron and vanilla. Facts about cardamom. Cardamom is also one of the world's oldest spices, cultivated for more than 4,000 years. It was popular in the ancient civilizations of Rome, Egypt and Greece. The earliest references of cardamom were in ancient Sanskrit texts and the ancient Sumer civilization in modern-day Iraq. Cardamom is the doctor of spices. Scientific name and family. Eletria cardamomum, commonly known as cardamom, is a pungent, aromatic, herbaceous, evergreen perennial of the ginger family. Medicinal name of cardamom. The scientific name for cardamom is Eletria cardamomum. It's also known by other names, including Sanskrit, Eller or Sukshmela, Kannada, Yeliki, Hindi, Ilaichi. What happens if we eat cardamom every day? Eating cardamom daily may have several health benefits, but it can also cause side effects if consumed in large amounts or in combination with certain medications. Digestion. Cardamom can help with digestion and relieve gastrointestinal discomfort during pregnancy. Blood pressure. Cardamom may help lower blood pressure. Diabetes. Cardamom can help manage diabetes and protect cells from oxidative stress. Dental health. Chewing cardamom seeds can help keep your mouth moist and prevent cavities. Detoxification. Cardamom is rich in antioxidants and manganese, which can help remove toxins from the body. Metabolism. Cardamom may help improve your metabolism and burn fat more effectively. Nausea. Cardamom may help reduce nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. However, large doses of cardamom can cause gastrointestinal upset, diarrhea, abdominal pain, hypertension, and rapid heartbeat. Cardamom may also interact with certain medications, such as blood thinners and drugs that affect the liver. People with gallstones should not take cardamom except to flavor food. Cardamom benefits for male. Improved sexual health. Cardamom is known as an aphrodisiac and may increase blood flow and circulation in the genital area. Respiratory health. Cardamom may help with asthma, bronchitis, coughing, chest tightness, and shortness of breath by increasing blood circulation in the lungs. Improved hair health. Cardamom may strengthen hair roots, nourish hair follicles, and improve scalp health. Dental health. Cardamom may have antibacterial properties that fight bacteria that cause dental caries. Other health benefits. Cardamom may also help with blood sugar levels, weight loss, depression, and boosting the immune system. Cardamom is available in powder, cardamom oil, water, and tea. However, more studies are needed to show if or how the results of preliminary research apply to humans. Cardamom extracts and supplements may also provide benefits but should be taken with caution and under the supervision of a doctor. Cardamom benefits for female. Menstrual cramps. Cardamom's anti-inflammatory properties can help reduce inflammation and soothe period cramps. Polycystic ovary syndrome (PCOS). A study found that taking 3 grams of green cardamom daily for 3 months, along with a low-calorie diet, lowered inflammation and androgen levels in women with PCOS. Fertility. Cardamom may help regulate menstrual cycles and promote healthy ovulation. Nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. A 2015 study found that cardamom powder may help reduce nausea and vomiting during pregnancy. Hair health. Cardamom may strengthen hair roots, nourish hair follicles, and improve scalp health. Cardamom may also have other health benefits, including aiding digestion, helping control blood pressure, boosting the immune system, protecting the liver, preventing anxiety, helping with weight loss, relieving hiccups, fighting bacteria that cause dental caries. Side effects of cardamom. Cardamom can have some side effects, including allergic reactions. Some people may be allergic to cardamom, which can cause skin rashes, breathing difficulties, or even anaphylaxis in rare cases. Gastrointestinal issues. Consuming too much cardamom can cause heartburn, diarrhea, nausea, or abdominal pain. Blood pressure. Cardamom can lower blood pressure for some people, but it can have the opposite effect on others. People with low blood pressure should be cautious when consuming it. Drug interactions. Cardamom supplements or extracts can interact with certain medications, especially blood thinners and drugs that affect the liver. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. There is limited information on the safety of cardamom during pregnancy and breastfeeding, but it's best to consult a healthcare provider before using it. Other side effects. Cardamom can also cause itching in the mouth, coughing, increased cholesterol levels, and higher LDL, bad cholesterol, levels. Cardamom is generally considered safe for most people, but you should consult a doctor before consuming it, especially if you have any of the conditions listed above.